Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and removing simple blockers. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID with a verified email and matching payment region. Banks flag mismatches. Next, update iOS or Mac OS and restart. This clears temporary errors. Open Wallet, tap the affected card and choose the restricted notice or notification. This initiates a step-by-step flow. You're now in the Apple flow. Follow prompts to view required documents, contact options, and any immediate action items. Once you reach verification, submit the exact documents Apple or your card issuer requests. Upload a government photo ID and a recent utility or bank statement that matches your Apple ID address. Blurry images get rejected. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and that a trusted phone number or device is up to date. This speeds verification. If documents fail, contact the card issuer directly, get a case ID, and then re-upload corrected files. This avoids repeating delays. To finish, wait the standard 24 to 72 hours for review. Check Wallet and Apple ID settings for status updates. Once done, re-enable the card and try a small transaction to confirm. If your request is denied, obtain the explicit reason, escalate to the card issuer, and request a written case ID. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, sign out and back into Apple ID, and then contact Apple support with your case ID. This troubleshooting path resolves most remaining restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.